Hey guys, welcome back to Gajin Garage. Just came home from work, and my buddy, the owner of this car right here, not only I got packages and packages arriving, I got Downstar packages arriving. And yes, it's Downstar. I'm gonna show you to you guys. Sticker, you know where this goes to. This is for his keychain. Now, this is the first thing we're gonna pull out. This right here is basically transmission bolt kit. It comes with all the bolts for this. Got all these right here. These are transmission bolts, and these are the one that goes in here. Okay. These are the starters. Okay. Cool. These right here are motor mount kit bolts. These are the amazing ones. These are oil pan bolts. This is the crowd kit. Oh my god. But before I keep going, hit like, hit share, subscribe. Let's get going. Downstar all the way. Yo, anybody gonna guess what this is for? These are cam gear bolts. Yo, this is my first on these. And then here is the motor load. This is the engine kit B series. Oh shit, that's for every bolt in that B series. Gonna get bolt with this. Got two more here. A lot of box. This is for the valve cover gasket. Cool. This is, I've never seen one before. Now I'm seeing it. This is for the belt tensioner. Power gold bronze. So that's pretty cool, man. This is for everything that came in here at this little box. Downstar, if you're watching, I got Downstar in that. I got Downstar on this right here. Now I got Downstar in the hatch. And the wagon that we built in the hatchback that we're building. It's back here. Right here. This is the one I want to use. And before I hit that, I'm going to get the right tools for this and this. So I can put it on that. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're gonna start working on this real quick. So you can see it nice and shiny. We're gonna do, let's start here, start at 12. Number 12. Okay. How you can see, Downstar is the same size, just a little longer. So how that goes is go like that, and mount it in like this. So guys, this doesn't give them the enough. Let me get a flashlight. Let me get a flashlight. I have a mask right here, man. I'll be working on this car, working on putting this together. That's what happens when you're working 3 or 4 projects at the same time. I'm gonna put it right here because video doesn't give the right to this. It looks amazing. It looked amazing, guys. Turn that off. But it does look amazing. Look at that. It's like boom. That bell housing looks great. Looks great, that bell housing. Boom. I love it. Great choice, great choice. Now, you have the starter bolts. Then you have the valve cover. I'm going to valve cover it right now. And we have all the other bolts right here, there. That's going to be when it's mounted. Wow. There's something hidden there already. Damn it. Oh, man. So, it was really good. It looks really good. Hope you like this. Let me show the valve cover. So we have valve cover. Of course, this valve cover is not going to stay like this. It's going to get touch up and painted, or even better, powder coated. Oh wow. So this thing right here is gonna get powder coated, wrinkle yellow, spoon colors. And boom. Now we have the yellow, the bronze, just like this for this right here. Man, it's gonna look amazing. So guys, hope you like the short video on this K-Tune. Hope you like everything you see. Downstar. I hope you love everything that we did to this transmission in 1 minute. The transmission changed from Dow to have some flavor. I mean, look at this right here. Everything looks good. Looks good. Look at the housing all the way across. Wait a minute. On my box, every time that I love a product, it works perfectly, I put a sticker. You can see I went to this car show, went to this one. These people sent me this product. It's very good, very well. How it works. Under there, we had that. This company here, we did a tuning for a friend of mine. You know, that's my boys. The mission right there, KA, K-Tune, Affordable Tuber Kids, Too Hard Route, of course. Company right here. You know what I mean? So, my favorite, right there. And that said, you're gonna save that. So now, all these bolts, you can see I got extra bolts right here. All these bolts, I'm not using. These are gonna get saved. I've got a blue band over here. So all these bolts, what I do with them, I take them and I save them. Man, I need a bigger garage for sure. I need a bigger garage. Anybody want to help me with that? Follow me, hit button, like, subscribe. So I got these right here, right? These help me a lot. Put them right here. This helps me a lot when I have cars that I'm working on. I'm missing a bolt. Boom, I got one. I don't know where the hell it should drop, but as you can see, guys, hope you liked the video tonight. It was a short video. Hit like, hit subscribe, hit share. Put putting that on. When we get the guys gonna get excited when we put that bolt, all this on here. It's gonna get super excited. Actually, I'm gonna start building that soon. I gotta start this baby up. I'm gonna bring this one here, and I'm gonna bring one of the hatches here so I can work on it. And then the hatch is gonna go in the back, and then I'm gonna move the other hatch here. That's gonna be the owner of this one. I gotta take the. It's a mess. And then when you got people that are helping you out, and then I'm cleaning behind the shelf. My kids. I would say kids. There's one kid here too. DSX. I'm not saying names. Yeah, that happens too. Alright guys, have a good night from Gajin Garage, from my mess right here. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share, comment if you like that stuff like that. I love it, I love it. You know, one thing, if I have my own shop in the future, one of the things that I will do sell there will be Downstar. I think Downstar brings any car to the next level. I've done it on my CRX. It's proven. It's gonna be proven on this motor. Have it done here too. See, it's Downstar. 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 Right over there. Downstar. This is not Downstar. But you know. So, how far you want your game to come over? Yeah, you gotta hit these guys. I'm promoting you guys, but you gotta hit these boys right here. These boys right here making it. At least for me, they're making it. Guys, this is what I gotta leave you tonight. Hope you like this video that I'm posting right here. Hey, like, share, subscribe. If you like it, give me a thumbs up and share as much as you can. This beautiful transmission is gonna go in the SI, and I'm excited about it. See you later, guys. Peace.